2007 Dodge Ram, and it's a 3,500 one-ton heavy duty in the 4-door 4-wheel drive with the 8-foot long box. And this truck is the SLT model with the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. Factory fog lamps in the front bumper. It has the factory 17-inch alloy wheels. It has the BF Goodrich KO2 tires, the all-terrains. Flip-out tow mirrors, window visors, tinted privacy glass in the rear. It has the trailer tow package. It also has a Line X bed liner. The paint is all a really nice silver metallic. Stainless steel step boards. And it has power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors, power driver's seat, automatic transmission. It's got the flip up console middle seat in the center. Also has storage down below as well. And for mileage, it has 317, 828 for kilometers. It has the factory CD MP3 player, air conditioning, turn dial 4-wheel drive. It also has the push button exhaust brake as well. It has the electric trailer brake module. It also has the buttons for plussing and minusing your gears for towing with the tow haul button. Cruise control. It has the factory keyless entry remote as well. Inside notes in great condition. And you can view this Dodge Ram at Kolenberg Motors at 3537 Couchland Lake Road in Duncan.